Let's create a new school and student data system. We start from the main page. On the menu, we click Registration. Here we are presented with the form for the school administrator and the school itself. Let's begin by filling it in. The interesting thing here is the school type. You can click the help icon to get more information about the types of schools offered. There are 4 types of schools: free, supported, full, and test. The test school is a special type of school that the system is going to remove in a couple of days. It is intended for the users to validate SDS, and we are going to use it now since we do not want the school in the system for too long. Check the box to agree to the license. Let's go ahead and submit the form. On the confirmation screen, we have a chance to review the entered information. Let's go ahead and confirm. And that is it. We have successfully created an empty school and a school administrator. The interesting point here is there is a special area in SDS at the top of the page that is used for communication. In this case, SDS lets us know that the school has been successfully created. Now we can log in using the username we just picked. The password will be password. Now we click Login. Here we are at the home page for the school administrator. Again, SDS gives us some feedback about our login at the top of the page. SDS also displays warnings that our school is not ready yet. You have a choice of using a quick setup or do it step by step. We are going to do it step by step, but it is longer, but gives us a chance to get to know the system better. At the top of every school admin page, there is a status bar that displays current state of the school. If you are not sure, you can always click the help icon and hopefully get some more useful information. As the help says, the red color indicates that particular area is not ready yet. When you hover over the grade levels, you can see that the school has 0 grade levels, 0 subjects, and so on. Let's fix the problem and add some. We recommend to start from the left. The grade levels screen is pretty typical for the school administrator. It lets you add customized grade levels or choose from a list of predefined grade levels. If you make a mistake, you can always remove or edit any entity. Let's assume that was a mistake and we really want to enter grade levels for middle school. Let's populate grade levels 6, 7, and 8. Again, if we need custom grade levels, we can always add it. Let's add grade level 5. It looks like the short name is not consistent. Let's fix it. Now, as you hover above the grade levels, you can see that our school has 4 grade levels, and the color has changed. It is no longer red. Let's add some semesters and marking periods. Let's add semesters and 9-week marking periods. Again, the bar indicates that we have semesters and marking periods assigned to our school. Let's move to periods. Choose Common 8 periods. Let's add some subjects. You can add a custom subject or choose from the list of most common subjects. We are going to add English, History, and Math for now. And now it is time to add courses. As you may have noticed, in order to add courses, you have to add some subjects and grade levels in your school. Let's go to the administrator homepage one more time. As you see, grade levels and subjects are listed as dependency for courses. Going back to courses, Click Courses. Let's enter at least 2 courses. Let's add Mathematics 6, Math 6 for short, and click Add Course. Let's add another course, Mathematics 7, subject is Math. Now add course. Now we can add teachers. Click on Teachers. We are going to use random generated names for teachers and students. Click Add Teacher. Let's add some students. Click Students. Add Students. The information about each student is basic. If you need to add more detailed information, you can click on the Edit button. Let's add another student to the 6th grade. Add Student. Now let's add a student to the 7th grade. Click Add Student. Now we can click Edit on the student to add more information. You can add the gender and any other details you'd like to. Click Store. Let's review it. We have a teacher, 2 courses, and a few students. We can now create a class. Click Classes. Click Add Classes. The name of the class is repopulated based on the name of the teacher, course, and period. This can all be changed. You may edit your name. You may also edit short name, days, and change the period. Another feature is the major percentage. You can change the percentage between major and daily grades. The list of students changes when we change course because our courses are offered in different grade levels. Go to Add Students and add students. Click Save. The last thing we have to do is to add a parent. Click Parents. Click Parents. This screen offers searches for students with a particular name. In our case, it is not very useful since we only have 3 students. But we can still search for the names. Fill in the information for the parent and click Add Parent. This concludes our school creation exercise. We just created a new school with just a few students. Now the school is ready for the teacher, students, and parents.